So, Namaskar everyone, respected teacher and my dear students. Do you know why we are gathering here? Yes, sir. Everyone, as you know, Anupam has not focused only in teaching learning activities, but also focused in extra curriculum. So we are gathering here because it's a turn of to conduct the another extra curriculum, that is Quiz Contest 2082. So I'd like to welcome you on this program. Okay, so before telling about the rules and regulation of quiz contest, so first of all I'd like to call upon the stage the participants of this quiz contest. One by one I will call the name. Let me start from Corneli House, that means Blue House. Jane Lama from grade 9. Ekman Piyal from grade 9. Vivian Sister from grade 7. And Pawan Kumar Yadav from grade 8. So they belong to Corneli House. You can see there. Similarly, moving towards the another house, Rhododendron House. Rhododendron. Nisa Sivagoti from grade 9. Robin Panda from 8. Isana from 8 and Ibrahim Pandit from 7. So they represent Rhododendron House. You can see here. Similarly, I like to call the participants on this stage from Banu Bhakta House. They are Nirajan sister from grade 9. Lakshmi Sivasana from grade 8. Samrathan Pandit from grade 8. And Deepanka Rani from grade 7. These are the six. Similarly, from Marigold House, I like to call the participants. Leonis Desing from grade 9. From grade 9. From grade 8. And Asmani Mohammed from grade 7. So put your hands together to welcome them on this stage. Now, to fix their place, so I like to request our Siddhartha sir to make 4 groups A, B, C, D. And the participants, you choose one leader from your group. A leader are requested to come here and take a check and find out in which group you belong to. So now you must be the finalist, leader of the group. So that is A, B, C, D. A group, B group, C group, and D group.
Ida, I am seeing you, right? You are not in Anton. I think you have to go outside. You want to go? Okay, so captains are here.
Take one.
Okay, I'll go here. Okay. Okay, open together. A, B, C, D. D.
D here.
B. I think this.
B or D?
B. B.
B. B is in. D is here.
D.
C is there. A is there.
Do it. A.
Thanks.
Allows here.
Okay, so finally they have already got their original place according to group wise. So Marigold House, Group A, Rhododendron House Group B, Bhanubakra House Group C, and Karnali House Group D. So remember, now in the same way, serially we'll start the program. Now, before starting the program, first of all, I like to request our Siddhartha sir to observe the time. So let's welcome him on the stage. Similarly, I also request our Pushpa to write the score of the contest. So let's give all a big round of applause. Similarly, I like to welcome our other teachers and students as well. Give them a big round of applause. Now, without delay, first of all, I like to tell the rules and regulations of this quiz contest. Listen carefully, everyone, audience as well as participants also. Generally, quiz contest, we are going to divide in 3 rounds. They are general round, audio visual round, and rapid fire round. In general round, general question will be asked to you, and you have to answer. So you can discuss the answer in a group, and the group leader who represents the group, he or she should answer loudly, and you must be sure about the answer. You could not be confused, and if you will be not sure, then you can say pass. But in one time only you have to answer correctly. Is it clear? If first group do not answer correctly, then the question passed to another group, and similarly it passed to another group as well. And each participants, if they could not answer the question, then question passed to the audience also.
There is a chocolate wrapping for him.
So those audience from there, anyone will answer correctly, then they will get reward also as chocolate.
So here are the chocolates.
So are you ready or not? Okay, now let me tell about the score in timetable. So for the first question, time will be given 60 minutes. 60 seconds. It means 1 minute. And if they could not answer within 1 minute, question passed to another group. And pass question for that first group, they will get 30 seconds. The next group 15 seconds, and again 15 seconds. And for first question, if you say correctly the answer, you will get 2 points in one time for first time. But when you will answer correctly for the past question, you will get 1 point. Is it clear? For first question, 2 points for correct answer. For the past question, 1 point. So be sure about it. And in audio visual round, what we will do, we'll show you some photos or videos, and in audio you can listen the clip, and according to that question will be given, you have to answer by discussion. Similarly, in rapid fire round, the group leader will be more responsible for the rapid fire round. Group leader should be stand up, and he or she should answer immediately when the question will be asking. And there will not be pass question in that time. You have to answer immediately. If you could not say answer, you have to say pass. So rapid means it must be faster. Is it clear now? Okay, so are you ready or not? So now we are going to start the quiz. There are 65 questions. So you have to choose the number, and according to that, question will be asking for you. So now it's time for group A, Marigold House. You have to choose the number. Sorry? Question number 10. Okay. Question number 10. From question number 10, question is like this. It is from English. Nobody called. Nobody called. You have to make tag question. What is the question tag for nobody called?
You don't have to put anything. You have to get it paper. Mathematical calculation. So and you have to. Okay, so you have already question completed, sir. Yes. Time started.
You stand up and say the answer. Did they? 100% sure? Okay. Nobody called question tag is did they? Yes, it is absolutely correct answer. Well done, very good house. Now it's the turn of group B.
You will get 20 minutes.
That is red house, rhododendron house. Question number 2. Okay. Question number 2 also from English. What is the superlative form of the adjective clever? What is the superlative form of the adjective clever?
Time has already started, right? Stop.
Group leader, you have to stand up and then say the answer. Cleverist. Sure? Okay, it's the wrong answer. Now question pass to group C, Banu House.
You have 30 minutes only.
15 seconds. 15.
15 seconds.
Oh, sorry. First pass question, yeah? 40 seconds.
Most clever.
Most clever. Sure? Yes, it is correct answer. Now it's turn on group C again. Question number 7. Question number 7. It is from L. Question goes like this. What is known as the smallest blood vessel?
Time is done now.
What is known as the smallest blood vessel? Blood capillaries. It's 100% correct answer. Now it's going to go deep to house. Number? Sorry? 28. 28. It is from science. Through which organ do the plants respire? Sure? Yes, it's the correct answer. It's the answer. Okay. So we have already completed one round. Now again it's the turn of group A. 15. 1-5. Okay, question goes like this. What is the scientific name of vitamin B6?
Time is done now.
You are requested to discuss in groups slowly, so other group could not listen your answer. What is the scientific name of vitamin B6? Pass. Question pass to Red House. Pass. Question pass to Green House. Pass. Sorry? Rhyme of family. It's a wrong answer.
Anyone from the
Now question goes to audience.
anyone from the audience?
Anyone? What is the scientific name of vitamin B6?
Silent. No one?
Pyridoxine. Pyridoxine. This is the scientific name of vitamin B6. Okay, now question goes to rhododendron house. 9. Okay, it is from Nepali. आगोले पोल्छ यस वाक्यलाई अकरणमा बदल्नुहोस्. No more discussion, other be silent. Silent. Time is running. आगोले पोल्छ अकरण आगोले नपोल्ने होइन. Sure? Yes. It is correct answer. Now it's turn of greenhouse. 42. 42. Listen everyone. What is the full form of Robert? ROBERT. What is the full form of Robert? Pass. 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 How is it even? Anyone audience? No one. The correct answer is the full form of Robert is Rocket Borne Emergency Radio Transmitter. Remember now. Okay, now it's turn of viewers. Question number 19. 19. It's from mathematics. What is the order of cube root of 5? What is the order of cube root of 5? Time start now. What is the order of cube root of 5? Order of cube root 5 is cube root 5. It's wrong answer. Question passed to Marigold House. What is the order of cube root of 5? Pass. Goes to Red House. 3. The order of cube root of 5 is 3. It's the correct answer. Okay, now second round also completed. Again, it's turn on Marigold House to choose the number. Marigold House, question number 21. It is from social. नेपाल भारत दैत्य सम्बन्ध. कहिले स्थापना भएको थियो? नेपाल भारत द्वैपाक्षिक सम्बन्ध कहिले स्थापना भएको थियो? You have to tell the full date. Pass. Question goes to Rotary House. Audience also keep quiet. August 24th is absolutely wrong answer. Next class to Bhanupaka House. Pass. Bhandali House. It's wrong answer. Question goes to audience. नेपाल भारत द्वैपाक्षिक सम्बन्ध कहिले स्थापना भएको थियो?
We saying 1955.
If you have to answer, you have to stand up and tell correctly. There must be some formality, rules and regulations.
1951 August 1.
It's a wrong answer. Anyone? The correct answer is 1947 June 30. 1947 June 30. Okay. In the same way now question goes. Group B, Marigold is noted in the house. They have selected the question number 6. Okay, it's from account. In the case of bad debts recovered, this is on class 9 especially. In the case of bad debts recovered, which account should be credited? In the case of bad debt recovered, which account should be credited?
In the case of bad debt recovered, bad debt zero recovered, full side में से treat करने पर सकते हैं.
Which account should be credited?
This side should be have to.
Question goes to Red House.
Only 1 year.
Silent everyone.
All are dealing.
It's wrong answer. Now audience, anyone? Sorry, yeah, Marigold House. You have to tell full answer. Did you listen question? In case of bad debts recovered, which account should be credited? Bad debts recovered account. It's correct answer. Now it's the turn of Bhanupaka House to choose the number. 52. Question number 52. Listen carefully everyone, it's from science.
Silent.
When did Mendeleev propound his law? When did Mendeleev propound his law? Although just close your mouth and listen carefully. 1949 AD It's wrong answer.
Next. Hey, now. Now next.
It's wrong answer. Question pass to Marigold House.
Very good. Do that.
18, 56, 80 is absolutely wrong answer.
Red House. You have 1859.
Also wrong answer. Audience.
Audience, anyone? When was Mendeleev propounded his law?
18, 69, 80. Not 59. 18, 69, 80.
Okay, silent now. The points are like this. Rhododendron 3, Marigold 3, Karnali 2, Bhanuvakta 3. Means there are tie between the three groups. And one group is behind. But still the game is on.
Okay. So now Ostan is there to choose the number. Karnali. 54. Red House, boys and girls, close your mouth.
So for some time you write one.
50.
For one.
4.
Regular answer 2 marks. Pass with 1 mark.
Okay. This is the question. What is the full form of HIV?
Time is started now. Silent.
Human immunodeficiency virus. Absolutely correct answer.
Hey, now they are.
Now it's the turn of Marigold House to choose.
Hey, wait.
50.
Everybody,
3.
listen. You have to speak loudly. Please master the earlier answer.
Okay, listen. Question number 53. Question goes like this. Mahindra Rajmarg. Do you know? महेंद्र राजमार्ग को लंबाई कति हो? Pass. Red House.
Red House, time start.
Sorry. It's wrong answer.
Next. Pass. Next house. Do
Red
Red House.
House where I'm going. That is also wrong answer. Anyone audience? If you know the answer, stand up and take. No one? Mahindra Rajmarg को लंबाई कति? Wrong answer. Okay, listen. It is 1027.67 km. Okay. So Mahindra Rajmarg means from eastern to western. Whole. Okay, now it's on a project rise to choose the number. 20. 20. All those listen carefully, everyone. Question number 20 goes like this. What is the first step of scientific learning?
Time start now.
What is the first step of scientific learning?
Because I will give you.
Make an
Now leave that. Sorry.
observation. Is the correct answer? 0? 60. Okay, listen, it is from science. What is the SI unit of resistance? What is the SI unit of resistance? The silent audience, everyone. Kishore.
सुमितलाई किस गर्न आयो सुमित सुमित
Pass. Question pass to Cornali House. Pass. Question pass to Marigold House. Newton. Absolutely wrong answer. Question pass to Red House. Pass. Audience, anyone? SI unit of resistance. You are not ready? Yes. Ohm. Spelling. OM. E. It's a wrong answer. Its correct answer is Ohm. OHM. Not Ohm. Who said Ohm? Okay, now it's time to finish the number for Cornelia. 61. Listen carefully. It is from social. नेपालले विश्वको कति प्रतिशत भूभाग ओगटेको छ? नेपालले विश्वको कति प्रतिशत भूभाग ओगटेको छ? 0.03%. It's 100% correct answer. We will only now it's the turn of Marigold House to choose the number.
Silent.
23. Question number 23. Question goes like this. What is the sum of acute angles? What is the sum of acute angles in a right angle triangle in grade? In grade. Sum of acute angle in a right angle triangle in grade. Sorry? 100 grade. It's 100% correct answer. Ninety degree means 100 grade. Now it's the count of red house, which is the number. 25. Okay. I think everyone you know this answer. What is the Wi-Fi stand for? It means you have to tell the full form of Wi-Fi. Others be silent. No more sound. Sorry? Wireless fidelity is the correct answer. Now it's time to choose the number. Anubhav Rao. 40. 40. Okay. Now it's a question from Game and Sport. Listen. Which team was the winner of IPL 2025? Full name.
That is full name.
Time is running.
Again pronounce.
It's the correct answer. Now it's the turn of Kanai. I ask you to choose the number. 49.
Silence.
It's very easy question. From Nepali.
Very right.
सिरिजको फुल उपन्यासका लेखक को हुन्?
Time is cut now.
पारिजात is 100% correct answer. Okay, we have completed next round. Now it's the turn of very good house to choose the number. 28. Already gone.
Cornally gone, right? Very good. Now get not 9. Now we are cornally. You are
29. Okay, again is from social. नेपालको संविधान 2072. नेपालको संविधान 2072 कति भाग, कति धारा र कति अनुसूचीमा बाँडेको छ? You have to tell भाग, धारा एन्ड अनुसूची. नेपालको संविधान 2072 कति भाग, धारा र अनुसूचीमा बाँडेको छ? Don't make noise. Marigold House. नेपालको संविधान 2072 कति भाग, धारा र अनुसूचीमा बाँडेको छ? कति भाग, कति धारा, कति अनुसूची? Question pass to rotate into now. नेपालको संविधान 2072 कति भाग, कति धारा र कति अनुसूचीमा बाँडेको छ? It's a wrong answer. Good try. Bhanubhakta House. Question pass to Bhanubhakta House.
Time started. Time's up.
Question pass to Banani House.
Time's up.
It's a wrong answer. Question pass to audience. Anyone?
No one, I think. Nobody.
Nobody. So नेपालको संविधान 2072 35 भाग, 308 धारा एन्ड 9 अनुसूचीमा बाँडेको छ. Now it's the turn of Red House to choose the number. 23. Gone? Already gone?
Next number.
One. Not gone. Okay, listen. Question number 1 for Red House. शताब्दी पुरुष भनेर कसलाई चिनिन्छ?
Who is considered as man of the century?
शताब्दी पुरुष
In English, it's called man.
भनेर कसलाई चिनिन्छ?
Who is known as man of the century?
Satya Mohan Joshi is absolutely correct answer. For the first correct answer, 2 marks. and pass question 1. Now it's the turn of Bhanubhakta. 39. 39. It's from here. What is the full form of CPR? Full form of CPR. Time is running. Be silent, everyone.
Together time on side.
Good try, it's wrong answer. Will you tell again? Last spelling. It's wrong answer. Question passed to Mary Godas.
Loudly, loudly.
It's the wrong answer. Last two read outs.
Time's out.
Time's up. Question passed to audience. Anyone?
And the last, then you will get only 5 seconds.
Spelling. R-E-S-U. It's the wrong answer.
Nobody is getting so good. I'll take this time.
Is there vascular also, Bigasa? No vascular. Cardio, pulmonary, resuscitation. CARDIO, PULMONORY, RESUS, CITATION. Okay, now sit down now. Finally, also choose the number.
Silent.
63. Listen everyone, it's from Nepali. कुन कृतिका लागि सत्यमोहन जोशीले 3 पटकसम्म मदन पुरस्कार प्राप्त गरे? कुन कृतिका लागि? What is the name of कृति?
What to be every
सत्यमोहन जोशीले 3 पटकसम्म मदन पुरस्कार प्राप्त गरे? हाम्रो लोक संस्कृति. It's the wrong answer. Question pass to Mary Godas. Pass. Pass. Bhanubhakta house.
Bhanubhakta, you have 5 minutes. 5 seconds, sorry.
Mero Desh Nepal is absolutely wrong answer. Anyone audience?
Audience. Teachers can also try.
No one knows. It's Lok Sanskriti was matching, but not Amro. It is, yes, Karnali Lok Sanskriti. Now, it's the turn of Mary Godas to choose the number.
Very good.
Hi.
Short your mouth.
नेपालको पूर्व पश्चिम औसत लम्बाइ कति रहेको छ?
What is the length of Satipra?
औसत लम्बाइ नेपालको पूर्व पश्चिम औसत लम्बाइ
Average length का average length of average
पास रेड आउट Sit down. Pass to Bhanubhaka. Pass. Ramalya. Strong answer.
Audience.
Anyone? Nobody want to get chocolate? Now I show you eight myself. Here,
Stop us.
Stand up, Ritin.
1,82,360.
Sit down. Strong answer.
Anyone?
Okay, its correct answer is 885 kilometers. Now question goes to rhododendron house. Number? Warehouse question number?
65.
Already gone, I think. Not good. Okay, listen, it's from mathematics. What is the coordinate of a point? What is the coordinate of a point that lies in x-axis? That lies in x-axis. You have to tell the coordinate of a point that lies in x-axis.
Hey, what is the coordinate point?
Coordinate of a point which lies in x-axis.
Maybe 9 class must know it.
8 class, 9 class, they must know. 0, 0. It's not origin. Correct. Sorry. Wrong answer. Bhanubhaka house. Question class to Bhanubhaka house. Zero comma y is wrong answer. Zero is wrong answer. Question pass to Marigold house. What is the coordinate of a point which lies in x-axis? Sorry? X?
Time out.
Wrong answer. Audience, anyone? X comma 0 is absolutely correct answer. Look, class 9 in 8, they don't know, but class 7 they are saying. It's same for you, class 9 in 8.
Two chocolate bar.
Yes.
Clap for her again.
Please round of applause. Everyone.
Hey, you Here.
Again, now it's the command of Bhanubhaka house, which is the number. Bhanubhaka, yes. 64. It is from science. Listen everyone. When did Darwin propound his law? Yes. 18 or 19? Why did you say 19?
So, one, now this time is internet, next time it will not be internet.
It was said earlier, if you take again and again, then your answer will be dismissed.
Today, now it's internet, next time it will not. Let's get it.
What is the correct answer? It's the correct answer. Now it's the turn of Cornelius.
Hey, listen everyone.
Question number.
You cannot change the answer within
Four.
2 seconds. One answer.
Question number 4. Also it is from science. What is the name of satellite designed by Nepali scientists?
Time started.
What is the name of satellite designed by Nepali scientists?
Done. I think we have to keep you here. Catch you kneel down. Yes, sir. Come here and kneel down. Why turning back and
Sorry. Name one is wrong answer. Question pass to Marigold House. Pass. Pass.
next time don't do.
Bhanubhak House. What is the name of satellite designed by Nepali scientists? Pass. Question goes to audience. Anyone? No one. The correct answer is Nepali Sat-1. Little bit. Okay, now it's the turn of Marigold House, which is the number. Question number 11. Very easy question. What is the present rate of VAT? 14% is absolutely correct answer. Let's turn over the table to choose the number.
29.
29. Already gone. 49 already gone. You have to remember the number, no?
You have to note down in your paper. That's why paper is given to you.
Next.
Note down which is number.
42.
42. Also already gone.
55.
55. Okay. Question goes like this. Which country won the Nation League 2025?
Portugal.
Sure? It's the correct answer. Okay, now it's the turn of Bhanubhak House to choose the number. 35. From math. What is the power of x? What is the power of x so that its value will be 1 upon x to the power 7?
Time started now.
What is the power of x so that its value will be 1 upon x to the power 7? Negative means minus 7 is correct answer. Come for another 58. Okay. Who is known as the light of the world? Who is known as the light of the world?
Yeah, very easy. Time over हो गया time.
Jesus Christ is the right answer. Now, Marigold House call like 44. Strong science. When did Newton propound law of motion? When did Newton propound laws of motion?
Time started.
1685 AD. Good try, it's wrong answer. Question pass to rhododendron. 1669 is also wrong answer. Incorrect answer. Question pass to Karnali House.
1688 AD.
Also a wrong answer. Question pass to audience.
Audience.
Students, anyone? You can try. 1689.
Same thing said by this one.
Anyone other more?
1869.
Okay. They were about to answer. They were nearer. It's 1687 AD. Okay, now who's going to choose the number? Rhododendron. 12. Question number 12. Also from science. Which two phylums are connected by platypus? Which two phylums are connected by platypus?
Time started. Only one period of
Pass. Pass to Bhanubhakt House.
time is running out.
Don't make noise. Be silent everyone.
Time is up. Members of the house.
Stone of Karnali House. Mammal and apes. So correct answer. Now to go on of Bhanubhakt House to choose the number. 24. Okay. Which gland is known as the master gland? It's a correct answer. Now sit down for I have to choose the number. 14. 8. Okay, listen carefully. Which month has 28 days out of 12? Any. Which month has 28 days out of 12? It's the wrong answer. Which is past to manual. Every month means all 12 months? Yes, it's the correct answer. Now, this is on now. Marigold house is the number. 26. Okay, listen carefully. From Nepali. तिमीले कथा पढ यस वाक्यलाई यथार्थमा बदल तिमीले कथा पढ यथार्थ Marigold house, time is running. All the just close your mouth. Pass. Read house. तिमीले कथा पढ यथार्थ पढ पढोस् absolutely wrong answer यथार्थ तिमीले कथा पढ
Green house.
Losing pass to Bhanubhakta house Port 2 is wrong answer. Photos also it's a wrong answer. Anyone from audience?
Hey.
Try.
Sunit, you are reading it.
Okay, so nobody knows. The correct answer is तिमीले कथा पढे पढे yes now which one this was the number wrote it in the number 18
Okay.
question number 18 from English question is like this they have featured cinema they have featured cinema change into passive voice they have featured cinema
They have featured cinema. Features in cinema.
they have featured cinema change into passive voice
My boss name. District. And Kishore have to come and kneel down.
featured cinema
Back afterward. Time's
Yes.
out, time's out.
question pass to Bhanubhakta house say louder cinema have been featured it's wrong answer question pass to Karnali house
Say again. Cinema has been
featured by it's the correct answer now it's the correct Bhanubhakta house to choose the number fast 19 already gone 33 yes नेपाली साहित्यका नाट्य सम्राट भनेर कसलाई चिनिन्छ नेपाली साहित्यका नाट्य सम्राट भनेर कसलाई चिनिन्छ
नाट्य सम्राट
नेपाली साहित्यका नाट्य सम्राट भनेर कसलाई चिनिन्छ नाट्य सम्राट पास this is pass to Karnali house Madhav Prasad Gire is wrong answer. Question pass to Marigold house. नेपाली साहित्यका नाट्य सम्राट भनेर कसलाई चिनिन्छ Pass. Balakrishna Swami is correct answer. Now it's the turn of Karnali House to choose the number. 50.
మీరు
Question number 50 from English.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರುಬ್ದೆ
Listen. Question is like this. She does not have to finish it. She does not have to finish it. Change into a affirmative. She doesn't have to finish it. She has to finish it. Yes. So 100% correct answer. Okay. We can do one more round. Okay, so I'd like to request Tika sir to announce the score till now. How much is it? Listen everyone.
The score is like this. Karnali House is leading with a 14 score. And Nodal House is following to Karnali House with a total score of 12. And after that, Bhanubhakta House got 11, Marigold 8.
Okay, clap for them everyone. Okay, so in this way the round is completed. Now we are moving towards the next round, that is audio visual round.
Who is the backside?
So first of all,
Actively is here.
I am going to show the photos and question will be related to photos. You have to answer there accordingly. So as usual, it's a town of Marigold House to choose the number A, B, C, D. Which group you want to choose? A, B, C, D.
Time is similar as ABC, which one? C.
Okay. So here is one photo. You have to recognize and tell the name of this personality. Photo is like this.
Okay, that's what now. Panel is starting now. Look, photo.
Don't say like that. If you know the answer, say or else keep it. This is one of Marigold House.
See photos. Hey, this is the famous personality of Nepal. You think Omega?
Do you have any idea? If no, so you can say pass.
Pass. Pass on. Stand up and say.
Full name?
His full name. Time's up.
It's the correct answer.
And you know why we are not.
Now it's the turn of Red House. Group A, B or D?
Why do you worry? Whatever. Okay, B.
Figure is like this. Here also is a great personality. You can see.
Okay.
It's the turn of rhododendron now.
Rhododendron.
Sorry?
Say properly.
Yes, absolutely correct answer.
What did he say? Century. Say that is not the pronoun. That is not correct. That is not correct. Say properly. Now correct.
Now it's the turn of Manubhava. D or D? D. Okay, figure is like this.
Now it is say to sir.
This is correct answer. Very lucky.
Last one. Last. Who is out? Good night.
Now it's the turn of Pranayas. So it's okay. Question is not like this. I didn't say to find the people.
Question is not like that. Listen. I did say. Try with the question.
Okay. So question is like this. Everyone in no. You say God. That's why that is not the question.
He is considered as what?
Question related to actor given in the photo is you have to tell the name of movie. Latest movie which has just released by yes. It has already released. Yes.
Yes, Mahanayak, yes or no? What did you say?
I mean, very old movie. Anyone?
Next house.
Question pass to very good.
This recent movie. Just released before 1 month. Just released before 1 month. Recently. Sit down,
Wrong answer. Manubhava.
Recently. Wrong.
Anyone do you know?
Yes, right answer. Come.
Yes, Narasimha is the correct answer. Now, similarly, now we are moving towards the audio round. You have to listen very carefully a clip, and according to related clip, you have to answer. Very good house. A, B, C, D.
Silent.
Which group you want to choose? C.
Listen out here very careful. Other also. It won't be repeated. Silent. Audio won't be repeated. Silence.
Are you ready?
I think. Silent. Okay. Press it again. One more. copy this clip? Who's copy? Who's copy this? Is that your officer?
Are you ready? May I go now? Okay, listen carefully.
हामी मौसुक प्रति हार्दिक श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पण गर्नको साथ नेपाली जनमा मङ्गलमय शुभकामना व्यक्त गर्दछौँ। यी बेला विश्व साम्राज्य कसैको अधीनमा थियो। संसारका अधिकांश मुलुक पनि वैश्विक नियति होँदै थिए। कैयौँ साना मुलुकहरू आफ्नो अस्तित्व र पहिचान गुमाउँदै थिए। त्यस्तो समयमा साम्राज्यवादका आँखै अभिमुख एउटा देश खडा गर्ने सानो चुनौती थियो।
Okay. So did you listen to the clip? Now, question goes related to clip is you have to recognize the personality name. Whose voice was there?
Time starts now.
He is the greatest personality of Nepal.
So whose voice was that? Who's the voice you have to recognize the person? Other also, member.
Please try. If not, so you can say pass. Sorry? It's the wrong answer. Question pass to Rhododendron House.
Absolutely not. Next.
Bhanubhat House.
Come, sit down. All in progress.
Say nicely.
Say nicely. No, it's not like that. Say properly on it. Last sentence. Hey. Why sleep pants? There is no pink white.
Who is that?
Time is running out.
Pass.
Come, sit down.
Audience, anyone?
Anyone?
Gyanendra sir.
Come. Stand.
You have to name full.
Say full.
Nicely.
Raja.
No, whatever you say.
Raja Veer Vikram Gyanendra sir.
Hey, sit down.
Okay.
Raja Gyanendra Veer Vikram Sahadev. Not Veer Vikram Gyanendra Sahadev. What would
You don't
say
have name also
Not
clearly.
Raja. Only Gyanendra
Very
Veer Vikram
bad.
Sahadev.
Okay, so everyone got the correct answer? Now it's the turn of Rhododendron House. A, B, D. B. Okay, listen carefully. Start.
एक लाइन में एसविन में वो है कि डोंट चेस देखिए एक लाइन में एसविन में वो है कि डोंट चेस सक्सेस कामयाबी के पीछे मत दौड़ो आप काबिल बनो काबिल बनोगे तो कामयाबी भी आपके पीछे दौड़ेगी एक लाइन में एसविन में वो है कि
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who's starting there? Rhododendron House. Now, question related to this clip is you have to recognize the personality whose voice was this. You listen. It was a clip from one of the most popular Hindi movie.
Huh?
Okay, question pass to Banu Bakaus. Sorry? Amir Khan. Yes. It's really 100% correct answer. Now to Banu Bakaus. C already got. B and C got. A and D left. A. A. Listen everyone. It's very interesting. Ready? Well, this one should come and dance also, yeah? Okay, listen. Now, question related to this popular song. Everyone, you know the song. But, question, listen. You have to tell the name of male singer of this song. Banu Bakaus. You have to tell the name of male singer of this song. Pass. Question pass to Cornelius. Is there any singer? I am Krishna Khatwal. So wrong answer. May I go now? Pass. Ready to enter now? Pass. Audience, anyone do you know?
Iman Kesi.
Sorry?
Iman Kesi.
It's the wrong answer.
Anyone?
And the answer is Vishal Soni. Okay, now it's the turn of Karnali House. So last of Soni at Group D.
Be quiet. Be quiet. Order is over to be played. Be quiet.
Okay, listen carefully. Clip is like this.
Just like want to go there, do whatever I can do from my side to promote this year. And good role singing. Moreover, when we get to play against our side with good international players, to experience obviously counting. Because skill-wise we are right up there, but it's experience which we definitely want to get knowledge about. So knowledge we may. So प्लेयरहरू लागि एउटा राम्रो अपर्च्युनिटी छ कि उहाँहरूले जुन पनि विदेशी प्लेयरहरू
Okay. Will you listen? Now you have to recognize the voice of the personality. He is also from Nepal.
Hey, be quiet. Can English cannot speak English?
Sorry? Vinod? Chaudhary. Question pass to Mayor Godal. Pass? Pass for guys. Wrong answer. Pass. question pass to Bhanubhakta House.
Bhanubhakta
Pass.
family.
Anyone?
Hands up, hands up.
Audience?
Audience.
Yes, please fine.
Say no problem.
Bhavin Sao is wrong answer. Anyone? Is I will give it also. Yeah.
Sorry.
Is cricket player. Sandeep Lamisani is correct answer. Okay, in this way, audio visual round also completed. Now it's the turn of rapid fire round.
Listen. Rapid fire.
So,
Most important.
leader of the group, be more active, and it's totally depend upon you. And there will be 5 questions for one group. I'll ask fast, you have to answer also fast. If you don't know, you have to say pass. And for one question, you will give 2 points. It means 5 to that 10 if you correctly tell the answer. 10 marks will be added there.
Don't wait for the
Very good house leader. Ready?
time.
No time. This should say immediately. If not, say pass. That means please.
No time.
No time. Ready? Group A, B, C, D. Choose anyone. A. Question like this. Even prime number. Symbol of common salt. Deepest lake of Nepal. Which country first declared the first World War? Total number of chambers in human heart. Who said there? Three right answers, 3 to the 6 marks added. Zero. Correct answer is 4, but others say. It should be said by only leader. You must remember the rules and regulations. Okay, now it's a turn of rhododendron house. Ready? Group B, C, D. Choose anyone. C. Total types of nutrients. Ratio of circumference to the diameter of circle. Circumference to the diameter of circle. Birthplace of Ram. God Ram. Chemical name of water. Full form of www. One correct answer. Birthplace of Rani. India means you have to tell the place. Bhanubhakta. Group D. Okay. One correct means 2 marks.
No, one correct.
One correct means 2 marks added there.
Marigold, 4 correct. 3 also correct. 4 correct. Marigold.
Marigold 3 correct. 3 to the 6 marks added. Bhanubhakta House, are you ready? Question goes like this. Listen. Who developed Venn diagram? Full form of DNA. Which table has no legs? SI unit of acceleration. Longest river in Nepal. 2 correct answers, total 4 marks added. Group 3 for Karnataka. Ready?
Okay. Silent.
Other group member don't speak in middle. Audience also listen carefully. Formula to find perimeter of isosceles triangle. Symbol of potassium. Coldest district of Nepal. Biggest country of Asia. Lack of which vitamin causes rashes in the mouth and lips? 2 correct answers, 4 marks added.
Okay, moving on. So Marigold, Garo Karnali.
Silent everyone. You don't announce the result yourself. There must be some formality. Yes, you can see that. Okay. So this way we have already completed. Now it's the time to announce the result. For that, I like to request Sagar sir, will you count all the marks? Total. Total already done. Okay. So we are at the end of the program.
Let's ask one answer.
Okay. So I like to request Sagar sir to announce the score.
So, Bhanu Bhakta first. So, they have secured 18 points.
Bhanu Bhakta, 18 points. Karnali? Okay, it was an interesting game because there is tie between two houses. So now, okay, for the third position, I like to request this rotated house and marigold house. I have one question. Those who will tell let first answer. I will take. Okay. So I'll ask 2 questions because there are 2 houses, 2 groups. So if both answer will tell by the same house, then that group will be winner. Are you ready? Red house in marigold house. Question goes like this. You have to raise your hand immediately, okay? Answer will be given by house leader.
House leader should get the answer. Whoever will get the answer will get the first answer.
No discussion.
No discussion at all. Immediately the answer.
Ready? It's from English. What is the difference between affect and effect? Difference between affect and effect.
Or no discussion answer. If you don't raise your hand.
Next question. Next question goes like this. What is the symbol of tungsten? What is the symbol of tungsten? From science. Yeah, please.
Sorry?
TU is wrong answer. Rotated now. Listen. Now only one question. Michael Faraday कहाँ जन्मेका थिए? Yes. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Now it's question related to health. What is the formula to calculate BMI? Yes.
Weight by height.
Weight by height is correct answer.
Okay, so third rhododendron. Now it's time for fourth.
Okay, now it's the turn of blue house and green house. Calculate, are you ready? Group leader. Or just close your mouth.
Silent.
Ready?
Are you ready for
Then lava and Niradan system. Ready? Which gas is there in a freeze? Freeze. Which gas is there in a freeze? Ammonia gas. Correct answer.
If they put answer, they will type. If they put on.
Come on, Hira.
Hey, rewind. Now they are on.
Next question.
Sir, both of them can be okay.
Yes.
You can also.
What are the 5 basic elements of accounting? No discussion. Pass? Okay, next question. विक्रम सम्वत 2078 2078 को जनगणना अनुसार नेपालको कुल जनसङ्ख्या कति छ? Sorry? It's wrong answer. Pranali House.
Can you try that say? 2,91,00,000. Next, that much or there more? You were nearer, but it is distant. Okay. So listen. So in this way, our quiz already completed. Now to announce the final result, I like to welcome on the stage our Vice Principal sir. So please welcome him on the stage with me.
Facility. Care Dog.
Please, master. Score. Record timekeeper and participants and my dear colleagues and students. What an interesting game. There was a tie between first and second as well as third and fourth. Finally, we have got the winners. Fourth position deserver is Marigold House. Fourth position deserver. And third position deserver is Rhododendron. Because I have said one answer correctly. Second reservoir is none other than Tagali House. And the winner of this contest 2082 is Banu Baka House. Okay. Congratulations, Saksham, Dipankar, Samraksha, and Viraj. So, the talented students they are over here for quiz contest. Actually, we want the masters. They are the masters in quiz, and you are master in other programs. That's why participate in different extracurricular activities and explore your knowledge. We have got the next program and next Monday. We'll announce it on Wednesday. So check the school's almanac and practice under the heat. So the program is over. Thank you very much.